Hey everyone. Okay, so we get a lot of questions when we're on the road, a lot of questions on the channel. How do we get this car right here from the ground up here on the truck? We're about 4 feet up. So how does that happen? Well, we either wait for like 4 really strong guys or, well, some people think that maybe we do a little transforming. That would be super cool, but yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. Nothing's gonna happen here, no transforming. So we're gonna get into it. Right after the intro, we're gonna show you how we load our smart car onto this bad boy. Stick around.
Are you excited? Bury that or move on and walk right. I'm up all night, keep pretending. Save the world. I'm up all night, keep talking, yeah. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Happy 4th of July. So this video is going to be just a little different. It's not going to detail our travels. We're in one place for a good part of the summer actually. But we're going to show you, we get a lot of questions when we're on the road and also from the channel about how do we get this smart car up on Voyager. So we're going to show that to you on this video today. It's nothing exotic. It's pretty basic. But we like to keep it simple so that we don't have any mishaps, because let me tell you, even with the 4th of July, we don't want any fireworks happening when we're loading this thing. Okay, yeah, those are actually pretty nice, but no, we don't want to have anything going on like that, anything falling off the ramps or such. So we try to keep it simple. Now, why is this appropriate for the 4th of July, our Independence Day? Well, all right, this is going to be a stretch, but having the smart car on our truck and letting us travel gives us the independence to move around once we get to a spot, the freedom, right, to go where we need to go. And sometimes we can't always park the big truck wherever because it's big. The smart car, we can park it anywhere. All right, so how's that for a tie-in for the 4th? All right, enough jabbering. We're going to show you guys how we load it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you guys have a safe and happy 4th of July.
down to here and then pull it up.
Well, that was nerve-wracking.
Really? You were nervous?
Yeah. Thought you were gonna fall over and I don't know.
But it's steep too.
I know, and you've got these little teeny tiny
Ramp.
ramps and
It's wide.
I know. Don't you ever get nervous?
Not anymore. First couple times, yes. Very nervous. It was weird. But this is like, I don't know, we've done it 1,000 times or something. I don't know. We've done it a lot.
You okay? Do you have a couple of bees there?
I don't like watching you guys do this. This is nerve-wracking.
Did you enjoy that as much as we did?
No. Oh, look how nicely you space those little square whatevers.
What they call them, strap. I'm sure someone on the channel knows what they're called.
next to you guys. Yeah, because people are going to assume that you're a normal height like me.
Make sure it doesn't fly away. And we do the straps in this direction because that's the way the truck's going, so the airflow moves over it. If they were the other direction, they might flap.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing how we loaded up there. And have a great, happy, safe 4th of July. All right, see you next week.